Number one question, identify the quality of this chord. This is the chord. They say identify the quality. We have quantity, we have quality. Quality means how solid is the chord. Okay, now the chord consists of, let's write out the notes. The chord consists of B flat, D flat, and F, right? Now, if it was B flat, D, and F, this would have been Do, Mi, So. I like using the chord 1 in the key of B flat. But now this is so it would have been, but now it's Do, So instead of Do, Mi, So, Do, So. Okay, so which means the third of this chord is tampered. If we have a major third plus a minor third, the answer will be major quality. But now in this case, what we have here is we have a minor third and we have a major third. So what do you think will now be the quality of this chord? Simply, let me not stress you for today. I think in one of our classes we'll really take time to talk about the intervals so that you understand. So this chord now is, they say identify the quality. So all you're asked to do is just to tell the quality. So the quality of this chord is minor. So the answer is minor. The chord is minor, because we're not told whether it's chord this or chord what or on which key. So this is a minor chord. Okay, so instead of the second one, what is the name and quality of this interval? Okay, now you see this question, you're asked two questions. First, the name. Second, the quality. The first one was the quality. Now you're asked the name and the quality. This is A flat, right? And this is F. Interval is determined like this. The lower notes and interval are distance between two notes. So that's what interval is. Now the lower note is A flat. So which automatically means this is the home notes to F. So what is the, first of all, let's look at the quantity of this from A to F. What's the quantity? The quantity is, we have A flat, B, C, D, E, F. So it's sixth. It's sixth. Now what type of sixth? That's the quality. The sixth, is it a major or a minor, augmented, diminished sixth? What type of sixth? In the key of F flat, I'm giving you simple trick to get it now. In the key of F flat, let's write out the key of F flat. F flat consists of A flat, B, C. So we have here so now in the key of F flat, do we have F? The answer is yes and T. If we have F, that means we can now know our quality, because the quantity is, these are the quantity 3, 4, 5. The quantity is 6. Now the quality will tell, if F is in the key of F flat, that is going to make it a major. If it is not, that is going to make it a minor. So it is. So the answer to this question is major. See how I'm writing my major 6. If you write it like this, you'll be marked wrong, because this means minor 6. So if you're writing, or to cut the matter and the long story short, just write normal major 6th. to avoid story that touches the hearts. Do you get it? Name the figure base name and Roman numeral for the following triad in a minor key. This is the triad, and they say it's in a minor key. What minor key is this? E flat. What's the relative minor? The answer is C minor. So that means this chord is in C minor, and C minor consists of C, D, E flat, natural of E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, back to C. And now they say this should be in minor key. Now, what are the notes? The notes here are C minor, we have here Fa, Fa, La, Re, so it's Re, Fa, La. So Re, Fa, La now this is Re. Where is your Re? This is La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. So this is Re, right? So because chord combination of this Re is Re, Fa, La. So this chord now has that chord combination. So the question now is name the figure base name and Roman numeral for this. So the figure base name now is you are asked to tell the congregation if the music is inversion and what is the number that is being used for that such inversion. Now you see the music already is inversion, because if it was in normal, this is what it would have been. I'm taking this F here. F would have been F, Re, Fa, and La. But now this is root position. But now now let's see if it is this and this. So that is first inversion, and first inversion is this. And they said so what you're going to write is chord 4 in minor key, considered to be uppercase or lowercase numeral. Now let's find out that. Now let's see if this chord 4 that we said is a minor or major key. Now let's assume this is now Do, Mo, so it's minor. So what you're going to write here is this. So the answer to this now is 1, 4, small letter 6. This is correct, Obed. To avoid story now for you, because what happens now, see, I've already explained in our first video the interval. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how we get this 6. 1, 2, 3. This is how we get this 3. But normally you're supposed to write, because you've already had 3 here. So this is your answer. All this, the figure base name is, and the Roman numeral. This is the Roman numeral. We've answered Roman numeral, and we've answered figure base. Okay, so we are done with that. Then the next one, what is the parallel major key of this? Your parallel key is share the same tonic name but different key signature. So now what key is this? So automatically for you to know this, that because they're asking you parallel major, the answer to this, what is the relative of this is E. So this note is E minor. So the answer to this now will be E major, because this key here is E minor. So to get a parallel major, same tonic name, different key signature, is E major, because E major will not have this key signature again. So we've answered that. Now number 5, let's go. Transpose this passage up a major second. Bam, bam. Okay, which space should we use? Let's see if this space can be conducive for us. We won't consume space. So first thing, remember to write the clef. Okay, now they say transpose it up a major. This is still interval work. First of all, this is G, right? What will be a major second of G? This is G, A, B. So a major second of G is A. So automatically this time signature now will change to A. A has 3 sharp. Further, we can use this so that we have enough space. So we have here, he puts the clef, the major second, up a major second of this time signature, E of G. Major second of G is A. So automatically this time signature now is going to be A. This note is B, right? Major second of B is going to be what? Major second of B is going to be C sharp. If it's me, I would have just sang this note and placed it here. But I want to show you all the steps. Let me transcribe this note. This is B. We have here C. We have here B, A. We have here D. We have here C. We have here D. We have here E. We have here B. We have here C. We have here G. And we have here F sharp. If it is me, I would have just placed this, because this is now going to be mi, fa, mi, re, so, fa, so, fa, so, la, mi, fa, do, ti. Okay. If it's me, I would have just used this and fix it. But then let's see. Let's work it out, okay? The first note is B. What is major second of B? Major second of B is C sharp. So you place it here because this affects. Then the next note is C. What is major second of C? Is D. So you're done with the first two. That's mi, fa. Then the next one is still B. And what's the major second of B? C. C sharp. The next one is A. What's the major second of A? The major second of A is B. The major second of what? A is B. Then the next one is, okay, don't forget to put the time signature. Then the next one is D. What is the major second of D? Major second of D is E. Next one here is C. What's second? Major second of C is D. The next one is D. What is major second of D? Still E. The next one is E. What is major second of E? F sharp. The next one is B, which is C sharp, major second. And the next one is C, which is D, major second. The next one is G. What is major second of G? A. Then the last one is F sharp. What is major second of F sharp? Is G sharp. And now let's see if we transcribe this, we'll have the same thing we had. I'm transcribing it in solver at once. So we have here mi, fa, mi, re, so, fa, so, la, so, fa, so, la, mi, fa, do, ti. So do we have the same thing? Let's see. Mi, fa, mi, re, so, fa, sol, la, mi, fa, do, ti. So we have the same thing. So that's just the answer to all this thing. Enjoy yourself, and this is where we are going to end for today. And don't forget, if you enjoy this class, to share, to comment, to like, to do everything to keep you active and updated with new lessons. Enjoy yourself.